I promised Cassandra I would not go out, and I am not going out, all right?
All right, keep your hair on. Oh, he was only cheering you. It didn't mean any harm.
All right. Well, let's just shut up about it and get some sleep.
Cat, shed,
Muffin,
bad, nose, naughty, naughty, naughty.
Who's naughty, Mia?
Naughty.
The dog naughty? Mia, can you give your sister a kiss, please? No, proper kiss.
Come on then, just one quick light ale.
Left foot.
Dee 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 dee.
Straight out to see in your bathroom. I don't get happy or Christmas. Of course you do, see in it.